Is your garage door becoming difficult to lift? Broken springs could be the culprit. Garage door springs have a limited lifespan and can break after repeated use, causing inconvenience and potential safety hazards. If you're in the Primbee area and experiencing this common problem, don't wait for it to worsen. Call 0409-774-111 today to get your garage door repaired by our qualified professionals. Let us restore the smooth operation of your garage door and ensure your safety and convenience. Call now.